Easiest thing you're gonna make in your kitchen. I got half a gallon mason jar, and then half a cup tea, Nora tea. I'm gonna put in hot water. We probably don't even need a video for this, but I'm doing it just in case. So half gallon, half cup of Nora tea, and then I fill it up past the rim because I don't know why. I don't know if it evaporates, how it evaporates, because there's a lid on, or if the tea leaves just take some of it, but I'm gonna stir that in. That's it. We're gonna steep it overnight or all day, about 8 to 12 hours. I will mix typically a gallon at night or a gallon in the morning, and then after it steeps, you strain it off through the finest mesh that you have, and then store it in the fridge for a couple days.